Hi, my name is David and I work in the service department here at North Georgia Replacement Windows. Today we're going to be looking at a 3-point locking system on an infinity door. Now we're going to be looking at a double entry infinity door. Now this is very similar to a single entry door with the 3-point locking system, but we are currently working with 2 panels instead of 1. I'm going to point out that this door here is going to be the active panel. Now an active panel on any double door is going to be the one that has the deadbolt on it, okay? This is going to be the door that's used most commonly. The second door is going to be our passive panel. Now this is a stationary panel most of the time. However, this door can be opened to have optimal viewing or to be able to move things in and out of the home. What we're going to do is we're going to look at this door first. Passive panel and active panel both have a 3-point locking system just like the single entry door. On a passive panel, when this is shut, we're going to simply lift the handle and that's going to engage the 3-point locking system. 1 and 2 pins at the top and the bottom. Now keep this in mind, this is very important. The passive panel must be engaged or the active panel will not shut properly and lock. Simply lift the handle, the passive panel is engaged. Once we shut the active panel, we're simply going to lift the handle up and throw the deadbolt. The doors are locked and in place. Now keep in mind, just as a single entry door, if you lock the active panel, you must throw the throw bolt for the door to be locked. If you push down on the handle, the door is still unlocked. The only thing that you are locking is the multi-point pins. You have to engage the throw bolt and now the doors are locked.
North Georgia Replacement Windows, yeah!